Hello everyone.
Happy January 17th. Today we celebrate hot buttered rum, kids' inventions, and the joy of creativity and comfort. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Hot Buttered Rum Day. A cozy winter drink with rich flavor. A great gift could be a rum cocktail kit, a festive mug, or a spice blend. Have you tried it? Let's toast in the comments. It's Kid Inventors Day, celebrating young minds and their creativity. A thoughtful gift could be a STEM kit, a creative journal, or a building block set. What invention idea excites you? Let's imagine in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's Benjamin Franklin Day, honoring the legacy of innovation and wisdom. A sweet gift could be a biography, a history book, or a commemorative coin. What's your favorite Franklin quote? Let's share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 16th to 20th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.